I finally did it. I made it to my first Western National Park, Joshua Tree National Park. I am so excited. This is probably one of the best parks I've ever been to, but obviously I've only been to like one Western one, and this is it. The reason that there's no original audio is because it was so windy. Keep in mind, we went in the winter, which is obviously now, and the temperature was in the 40 degrees, so it was cold and very, very windy to the point where there was a whole entire wind advisory. So that's the reason there's not much original audio, due to the fact that the wind was absolutely crazy loud and you wouldn't be able to hear much of anything. So I figured I would just bring you all along with me because it was super fun. We did several different hikes. We decided to go 3 or 4 different hikes, so it was an incredible amount of exercise that we got. I definitely got my steps in. I think I got like 30,000 steps in, so that was definitely a really nice thing to do for me, because again, I'm trying to get back to my healthy self and be, a lot more healthier than I am currently. I'll admit I haven't been doing as well, but I mean, all you have to do is just keep trying and not give up, and that's what I'm doing. Is I don't want to give up, and I just want to keep going and trying to do a little bit better every single day. But enough of me talking. I just want you all to be able to enjoy these beautiful views. One more thing though, I did film this on my GoPro. I'm still kind of new to filming things with the GoPro. I'm trying to figure out how to use it to the best of its ability. So if the angles are a little bit wonky, it's because of me. I'm not very, skilled when it comes to it, but I'm learning. But yeah, let me know what you all think of the video, and I hope you all enjoy it as much as I did. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful, and I would recommend this park to anyone. It's even better in person. The videos and the photos do not even do it justice. But yeah, I hope you all enjoy this video. Thank you. So obviously, if you all are going here, there is a park entrance fee, which is not too bad. So it is $30. Again, it's quite steep, but it is good for 7 days. So $30 for 7 days is not that bad. So I'm just letting you all know about that. I mean, plus the money's going towards the maintenance of the park and hopefully paying the rangers. So I don't mind at all paying for something like that. When you do enter the park, you get a map that they give you for free. And on the back of the map, which is kind of nice, it tells you a lot of different hiking trails that you can do. Some of the ones that we did were Barker Dam Trail. Basically, it's a really cool trail that the ranger actually recommended to us, that you all will see at the very end of the video. The other trail that we did do is Keys View, and this was at the very top. I think it was like 5,000 or so elevation, and it was so windy to the point where you had to stay away from the ledge so you would not get blown away. So that was spectacular, but again, it was a little bit risky because it was so high up. The other one that we did do is the Wall Street Mill. This is where you actually get to see some really cool old historic vehicles that used to work in the mines there, and you all are probably going to see that in this video as well. Actually, yeah, you will see it in the video as well. But yeah, just wanted to let you all know kind of what it's like when you do enter the park, and You know, there's so much to do. What is kind of nice about this park is the fact that you can drive everywhere, so you don't have to hike too much. Obviously, you have the option to be able to hike, but you don't have to hike as much as, you know, other parks that you would, you know, be going to. So I figured, you know, that it would be a really good park for someone that wants to just drive around and enjoy it. And I think it'd be really good for someone that has maybe a handicap issue, so that way they can just stay in the car and enjoy the views. I mean, it's a really, really good park. Obviously, there are difficult trails. We didn't get to them this time, but I think whatever we did get to with the limited amount of time that we had was worth it. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the comments about anything that has to do with the park. Obviously, I have limited knowledge, but I can easily look things up as well and, you know, let you know what the answer is. So anyways, yeah, I figured I would let you all know what it's like. And yeah, I hope you all, again, enjoy the views. I know it's a long video, but to me, this video is long for a good reason. I mean, the views are absolutely breathtaking, and it's so overwhelming at how beautiful this park is. Granted, it's a desert, but there's so much different diversity of different plants that live here, and there's so much different wildlife. We actually did get lucky. We saw one wildlife. Since it's winter, I guess it's a little more limited. We did see a little coyote when we were headed back to the car, so that was kind of cool to see that. But yeah, I think during certain seasons you'll see a lot more. Obviously in the spring you'll see a lot more, you know, animals, and probably a lot more vegetation as well. But yeah, I definitely want to come back in the springtime. I think that'd be fun. Sorry, anyways, one thing I would not recommend though is coming here in the summer. Granted, I have not been here in the summer, but I can imagine how brutal it would be because there's no shade. As you all can see in the video, there's barely any shade in this park. And if you are here in the summer without proper amount of water or sun protection, I would not risk it, because I guarantee you it gets up to hundreds of degrees in this desert. I mean, it is a desert, so you have to respect it. One thing that I do want to mention too is the trails that you do go on are very well marked. They're marked by a little path of rocks that are kind of leading you to the trail. Some of the trails are not marked as well, but majority of the big ones are marked very nicely. Obviously, some of the ones that we went on were not, you know, marked too much, but you can see all around you, you know, panoramic views. So it's not too hard to get lost, but there is a possibility, wow, I cannot talk today, to get lost. So just keep that in mind. I suggest downloading an offline map. Do it. Please just do it, because the signal does not exist out here. When you are out here, you are in the desert. There's no signal. There's only a tiny bit of signal in the hiking trail called Keys View. It's not really a trail, it's just a view of the mountains, and you're able to actually see Coachella Valley from there. So it's kind of cool, but you have barely a bar. So I suggest getting a offline map before you come here. Just download it. It's the best thing that you can do. That's just a few suggestions that I wanted to, you know, give you all, but I hope you all have enjoyed this video, and it's been an incredible experience, and I'm so lucky to have come here. It's absolutely breathtaking, and if I could recommend it, I would. Do it. Just go here once in your life. Thank you. This is insane. Sure. again, thank you all again for looking at my video if you made it. I know it's a little long, but I couldn't resist. I mean, it's absolutely the most beautiful park in the world to me, and I hope to come back. I know I'm going to make it my goal to come back.